Back to the vlog, man. It's K510 Automotive Group, and today, man, we're gonna be finishing up the E36. Yeah, man. It's basically ready to drive right now, but I'm having issues with my my back end plates. My wheel bearings are like making noise. So to fix that, I had ordered some used ones as a whole assembly. I got a new back end, used back end plates and used wheel bearings with a used knuckle. So that's supposed to help the noise, because right now if I drive it, you hear a lot of noise because the back end plate is rubbing against the rotor. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today, man. In this video, I'm gonna be installing my knuckles, new knuckles. Damn. Yeah, man, I already got started, man. I'm changing out my knuckles for my E36. I bought some used ones because my old knuckle was rusted out and the wheel bearing was messed up. See this one? And the back end plate. Back end plate is all. It was just time for some new controller arm knuckles. So I just installed some used ones. They had a decent condition, a back end plate and hub bearing. So I just replaced both knuckles on both sides. Just the right side. And this is the left side. So I did both knuckles. I think now I'm ready to go on my first real test drive since the accident. So we about to I know after this I need to get alignment, but right now I'm just gonna, you know, drive it. Just gonna drive it to see how it feels. Like the first real shakedown. And I still haven't tried these pushed these electric fans to the test. Make sure it's cooling good. But other than that, it's almost ready to go, man. Probably just get an alignment, and then I can get back to the cosmetic side of things, like the want to get this want to get my fender painted or wrapped or something. Just want to get the body work finally all the way together. Because if I didn't have this accident and crash this car would have been already wide bodied and probably dyno tuned and all that. I'm gonna let y'all hear it start up. It's been a while. I had to give me a new, well, not new, but this is one of my other cars. It sounds pretty healthy. It sounds like it's almost ready to be on the road. So I'm gonna put the wheels on. Then I'm gonna take it around the block. Alright guys, about to go for the first drive. My E36. But I ain't got no gas. See, wish us luck. Got my son with me too. Alright. Alright, we gotta be in. Sound good, it just need alignment. A little bit rubbing in here, a little bit rubbing on that side. Yeah, my alignment's way off. I'm gonna get that done this weekend. Sound way better than before, right?
Yeah, way better.
It ain't doing all that scraping. Yeah, it's all over the road though. Jeez. I gotta get that alignment. Yeah, man, this was my first BMW, man. E36. Well, not this car, but it's an E36 in general. It's so dark, man.
It is so dark.
And my alignment is jacked. Oh my goodness. Here, you hold the camera. Sound good though. Sound good. Get my turning signals up. Gotta give me a bulb for that. Alright, we're gonna just... Uh-oh, let's see if we can punch it. Whoa, that boy all over the street though. Jeez. Looks like it's about to spin out. Shit.
What is that?
Control arms. I mean, these alignments, all the wheels aren't straight. They all like turn different ways. It's like crab walking down the street.
So they're not controlling the wheels?
No, you see how the steering wheels turn like this? That means the alignment's off. It's not straight. The car is like swinging. Gas station is right here, so I'm gonna go put some gas. Jeez. Yeah, this is crazy. Crazy feeling driving this thing.
So happy I made it.
Alright, so at least we at the gas station, because I ain't got no gas. She thirsty.
You're thirsty?
Oh, the car is thirsty.
Oh yeah, it's very.
I'm gonna be driving this thing all week now.
What, you are?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. But would I have to sit in the back seat?
Oh shit, what's with the gas? I think the gas is on this side, right?
Do you need the camera with you while you put gas?
You can just stay here and talk to the camera. Tell them what you like about the car. And put it on you.
Not yet. I just want to keep you on you.
Just talk, man. Just
Yeah.
talk. Stop being shy, man. Be right back. Get some gas. Don't talk to nobody if they come up to the car.
Okay.
I'll run in there real quick.
Okay. So what I like about the car is that it's loud, it's fast, and it has my favorite color in it. My favorite color is black, and I like BMWs. And what I don't like about the car is the seats, because the seat is so raggedy. See the seat, so raggedy. Let's see what my dad's doing. Yeah, but, yeah, that's what I like about the car. And I know my dad loves it. That's why I became loving it. And since I saw this car, I became loved so much. Do you hear that? Okay, I think my dad's coming back. What is he doing? He's going back to the gas station. Yeah, my dad is very nice. He's cool, and I like him so much. He's my favorite dad. Yeah, when I grow up, I'm going to be in this E36, and I might have this camera and just make videos of it when I grow up. And most of my videos, you're going to see me in the E36 or at my room or somewhere else. I think my dad's coming back. He's running. Yeah, man, I love my dad so much. I think I said that, but I very love him. He's the best dad. Okay, he's coming.
Something wrong with that gas pump.
Wait, what happened?
It's not working. Alright guys, we had to gas up. This how it should look. Almost done. Getting some body work done. Ooh. Next thing is the body work and interior, man. Really want to get the Tripping sound good. Yeah, I definitely want to get the interior done, man. I'll probably get some bucket seats for now, and then get the hairliner done.
Are you going to change up the color of the interior?
No, I'll keep it the same color. What you like about this car?
Huh?
So what you like about this car?
That it's loud.
That's it?
And it's black.
You like the color?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, this ain't gonna be no long video. I just wanna finish putting on these both new knuckles. Probably Saturday, I'll probably take it to get alignment.
Was Cora able to be in here too?
Yeah. I mean, it's not done all the way. It's just drivable now.
What's not done about it?
Alright guys, man, thank you for watching this video, man. Remember, if you can make 5, you can flip it into 10. Keep going up, don't stop. Oh, this thing feels squirrely. Don't stop, man, keep grinding, man. Peace.